guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. And today we're going to be making a homemade, kind of old-fashioned peach pie. Everything's going to be old-fashioned except I don't make my own crust, sorry. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 450. What I have in here is about 5 cups of fresh peaches that I sliced up. And then I put about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice on it. And you want to make sure that all the lemons is coated. Alright, put that away for a minute. Alright, in here, you're going to need a half of a cup of all-purpose flour. And you see I've already put my bottom crust on. Oh, sorry, I need a cup of sugar. A half teaspoon of cinnamon. A quarter of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Oop, I need my salt. And you need a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to mix these together. Okay, now I'm going to pour this on top. Of your peaches that you've done. And you want to stir it all together till it's pretty much mixed in pretty good. I'm also going to be fixing some fresh whipped cream. With this. Alright, now in your bottom crust, you want to add your peaches. I did peel my peaches. If they were good South Carolina peaches, I probably wouldn't have. Okay. Whoops. Let me get a knife. I thought I had everything together. Of course I never do. And you want to dot your peaches with a couple tablespoons of butter. This is softened butter, so alright, I'll put my top crust on. This is just your 2 refrigerated 9-inch crust. Ah! Well, I tell you what, I can make a mess sometimes. Okay, you've got an egg here that I am going to beat, and I'm going to flute the edges of this. Luckily my pie crust is, my pie pan is fluted, so that makes it easier. I used to make my own pie crust years ago, but it's so convenient now. Alright, I'm going to take my egg wash. I'm going to glaze the top of it so it'll brown real good. This is actually really kind of quick and easy except for the peeling. Now, I am going to do something because I know it's going to need it. I'm going to do the edges of my crust with, I wish I had a shield, but I don't. With some foil, because if not, it's going to get really brown. Man, it smells great, this. They sell these shields just to cover it. Let's cover it. Too big a piece. Because it's really only going to cook for like 35 to 45 minutes, but I know my oven. Come on. Alright, now what you want to do, as I said, you've got your oven preheated to 450. You're going to put this on a baking sheet. Well, wait, I forgot the most important thing. You need to put a couple of slits in it for the steam to release. Alright. Boy, I just don't have enough room over here today, do I? Put this on your baking sheet. Try to keep your foil on. Then you want to stick it in the oven at 450 for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, drop your heat down to 350 and let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes till all the good stuff is seeping out and it's all good and brown. We'll bring you back. Also, before I get started, I'm going to be making whipping cream, so I'm going to take my bowl and my beater and stick them in the refrigerator so they get really good and cold. Alright, we'll bring you back. Okay guys, I just got this out the oven. I'm going to let this cool. I'm going to bring it to room temperature. I don't want it real hot. We'll bring you back whenever we're making our whipped cream and we'll be slicing it. See y'all shortly. Bye. Hey guys. Alright. I've got these out of the refrigerator. They've been in there for 2 or 3 hours now. What I'm going to do at this time is I've got a cup of heavy whipping cream. And I want to beat it just until the stiff peaks start to form. You do not want to overbeat this or it'll be like butter. Okay, I want to cut that off there.
I don't know what happened.
Is it on now?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, sorry, not sure what happened, Tony. Something happened with the phone. What I was saying is, Alright, that one's better. Alright. Okay, there is our old-fashioned peach pie with fresh whipped cream. I want to thank y'all for joining me. Give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Share it on your social media. Y'all have a great one. See you later. Bye.